Hey, how you doing? Just doing a little test here. Welcome to Blue Bike Noise channel. Let's go for a ride. Talk about it. Run an intro. I don't know why it takes two times to get it to work. Hey, how you doing? How you, Mama and them? Welcome back to the Blue Bike. Welcome to Blue Bike Noise channel as we go for a little ride. Yep, go for a little ride. Alrighty, it's 77.0 degrees. It's 77 even. We're gonna do one of my things, one of her things, you know, one of my things. We're gonna go to check out a roadside attraction and eat lunch there. It's a bus. It's a burger joint and a bus in Ball Ground, Georgia. And then we're gonna check out a winery up in Talking Rock or Jasper that we missed one time. Look, bonehead mower up there. I know people goes, oh, it's not that bad. When we was a kid, we used to ride through grass on the road and all like that. And I guess it's not too bad until it gets you. You know, I don't know what else to say about it. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about it. Are you recording? No. GoPro start recording? So she's off today, her Friday off, so I don't know why she didn't get Friday and Saturday off. We could have did another overnight trip. Maybe I won't screw this one up and erase all my doctorate on us coming home. Oh me, so it's calculating route. What the I don't know what I'm doing here. Richard Moore Highway. It's 80 miles up there to the winery. Yeah. It's 80 miles up there to the school bus. It's and then another 20 miles to that Sharps up there. Where's that Sharps at? I guess I could do it this way. I don't remember. I don't know what I'm doing. So now your mom and them. I don't know what else to say. GoPro stop recording. Scrapey. So I don't know where I'm going. I know I'm going ballpark, and then I was going to tell you the winery. Oh, it's telling us take this route. Go to Sharps first. We don't want to go to Sharps first. That's what it is. Sharp Mountain Vineyard. Alright, let me recalculate stuff here. So I'm going to recalculate. I'm going to go up here, go over here, go to rest right there, and then go. I want to go there first. I'm going to replace that route. See how easy this Harley navigation system is? People don't like it sometimes. It's 77 miles more now. So, yeah. Let's just go up over Farmtown, Antioch Road. Hey, it's taking us that way. Alright, well, we'll see you when we get closer. And I should have looked up to tell you what all about that bus was. But it's a bus. That's a restaurant. Gosh, the whole world's brainwashed. So we up here in Ball Ground, Georgia. White's Meat Products. That's what it said. So we're looking for a bus that sells hamburgers out of it. Whew, it is warm. It has warmed up hot. It's summertime, 81.5 degrees. Probably about 80% humidity. Now entering historic downtown Ball Ground, Georgia. Speed limit's 25 miles an hour. And a stop sign on every corner. I don't know about that, but it does seem like it'd be a good many of them. Probably is, yeah, lunchtime, so it's probably where everybody goes to eat lunch. Look at the traffic. Stop, go, stop, go, stop, go, stop. Sunshine life, I like that. So this downtown historic ball ground, the bus, probably should have parked right there. There's the bus. Where's the bus? Right there. Where's it at? Right there, right there. It's on that side of the street. That motorcycle took up both parking places. This lady just threw her hands out and said, I'm going. Alright, so I guess we'll go around the block one more time. See if we can find a place to park. Probably not going to find a good place to park. Because I don't want to park. Listen, maybe we can go around the block or something. Park way down here and walk back up here. Not that far. Well, there's the bus again. Is it? Yeah, it looks like it's open. Those two's full. Can't park over there. Go up, turn around. Hey, he's working on that side. That's the bus down there. It wasn't all that great. I have had better burgers, just for a plain burger with some pickles, prohibition. They want to make it look like it was a prohibition burger. I don't know. Wasn't that great. Onion ring was fair, you know. And she had a slaw dog and, you know, French fries. And it was $30 for both of us, including our drinks. We can get out of here. Kinda looks like it's gonna rain. Thought that guy was gonna run off, so back out in the road.
I guess we could have. That wasn't there. Looks like the bus is full.
Hey, he's working on that side. That's the bus down there. It wasn't all that great. I have had better burgers, just for a plain burger with some pickles, prohibition. They want to make it look like it was a prohibition burger. I don't know. Wasn't that great. Onion ring was fair, you know. And she had a slaw dog and, you know, French fries. And it was $30 for both of us, including our drinks. We can get out of here. looks like it's gonna rain. That don't look like it's gonna rain. Thought that guy was gonna run off so back out in the road. Nobody gonna let us out here, is there? Nope, no patience for nobody, dearly. No patience at all. What do you expect? So here, one more look at the bus, Ball Ground bus, next to the train tracks, downtown Ball Ground. There she is. Alright, we made it through all that. So our next stop is another winery, but it's not on the Georgia Wine Trail. There was one in town, but they don't do wine tasting except on Thursdays. Thirsty Thursdays, what she calls it. Alright, this place says it's up here. I'm assuming it's going to be up here on the left. Wine gallery. On the right? On the left? I don't know. It looks like it's right here. Feathers Edge. Yep. Wine gallery. Wine. Look at this. I want you to look at this. It has paved parking. Look at that. Paved driveway, paved parking. I like it. Neat little place. Uh-huh. If I had a CNC machine, I could make that. Amish rockers, $300. Back. Hey. Alright, we're leaving this place. Super nice people. Pretty good wine too. They got some that's called Savannah. It was like a peach with bourbon in it or something like that. And it was real good. It's not only have a bad, you know, the burn or nothing. It was real smooth. She said this is one that gets you in trouble. This people come on. Well, shoot. Alright. Made it out of there. Woo, feels good. Get going. It's hot chocolate barbecue bar. Oh look, a motorcycle. There's a stop sign there. He was so badass he had 2 get back ribs. Oh me. Wow. Whee, going downhill. Whee! Wish you could see the. We got a curve here, and then we switch back. We go over there. Whee! And then there's another one. Whee! Whee! That was fun. This is Salem Church Road, and it's very good. I like it. I like the twists and turns and no traffic hardly on it. And, yeah, buddy. Whee! You come over a hill, it takes your stomach, and then you got a curve that you got to. Woohoo! Woohoo! When you go woohoo! Winnie the Pooh! Alright, 2 more miles down here, but that cloud's getting dark up there. So maybe, just to pop-up showers. Before, and we got 600 yards to go. Will it be paved all the way? Only time would tell. As we come up on Sharp Road. That's a cool house. Then it got a sunroof. We got to turn. Is this where we turn? Nope. That's the next Y, which I guess that's it. Dead end, no outlet. Ooh, look at that caboose. Probably an Airbnb. Alright, well that winery should be right here. That's what the sign says. Sharp Vineyard and Winery. Right here. And look at here, it is paved. I can't believe this. Tasting room ahead. Yeah, buddy, it's paved. Even the parking lot's paved. I can't believe this. Alrighty then. We'll just whip around and back right in there. Looks like we can. Oh, it's a house inside of a mountain up there. Alright, very nice one. Probably be under new owner next time we come, if we do come up this way. Because they said the owner sold it. So, see what happens. Thank you, come again. I guess that house goes with it, I think she said. It's like 16 acres plus another 5 somewhere. Down the mountain somewhere. Somewhere over the rainbow. Fit a woody duddy. I'm just a country boy. So we gotta figure out how to get out of here. She said we couldn't go left because it's a gated community right down here at the foot of the hill. Alright, let's go home. Yep. Go back through Cartersville. It's about the only way you can. So it's gonna be an Airbnb. They up there working on it now. So they've been working on it for a long time. It was very rough when they came in. But they are gonna rent it out as an Airbnb. Yep. So we're gonna go back out this pretty road here. So you would go check out that video right about there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. We're gonna ride this road and fight the traffic. Headed home. Later, taters.